about weather here in the Valley of the Sun.
Yeah, cold weather.
Yeah, maybe not so sunny in the coming days, right?
In the coming days, right. So today is the day you want to get
Crisp
out.
and cool.
Exactly. I know both of you love to get out in the afternoon, take walks with your family, stuff like that. Do it today because you won't really get the chance tomorrow. It's going to be pretty cloudy, pretty rainy, and if you're going to go up to the north, pretty snowy. So there you go. They sound like, what are they, Snow White's elves, or dwarfs. There we go. So take a look outside right now. Pretty clear conditions, right? And we're going to stay that way throughout most of the day. Those valley temperatures right now sitting in the 50s, low 60s. It's already starting to warm up really nicely. We're going to continue to get warmer than this. I think most of us are going to be about 10 degrees warmer when we get into the afternoon. Now, those temperatures right now across the state also relatively mild considering what we have seen the last several days. We're talking low 50s right now in Payson, 52 in Sedona, 35 in Flagstaff, and 38 in the Grand Canyon. But Futurecast here is going to show us what's changing these next 48 hours. So we take this in through today. Not a lot's going to happen today, so that's good. That's why I mentioned enjoy yourselves, because by tomorrow, specifically as we get into tomorrow evening, we start to see the first beginnings of this system that is right now churning off the Pacific Northwest. So that's going to start to move our way. You see rain down to the south, snow up to the north. This continues overnight and into Wednesday as well. So we're talking pretty significant hours here worth of snowfall, but then also rain for us here in the valley. Now, on and off rain chances for us. I think this will be mostly widespread, so I think pretty much everybody is going to get it. At least a little bit of something out here. So rainfall amounts right now look about a tenth to a third of an inch. Valley winds are also going to gust up with this one here, so look out for that. But I think specific showers probably tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning. As we talked about those winds kicking up here in the valley, right? So we'll call the conditions breezy here, but pretty windy up to the north. Look at these gusts up to 40 miles an hour and pretty strong up to the northeast and to the southeast as well. So you mix this in with the rain and the snow, we are really talking some hazardous driving conditions tomorrow night and into Wednesday morning. So you want to be extra careful for that. Also, keep in mind having that free ABC 15 mobile app handy, because at this point, it doesn't look like we are under any wind or weather advisories, but that can change just like that, especially with the system and how much snow we're expecting to get. Valley highs today are going to be relatively mild then. It'll feel pretty good, especially considering we're going to see those temperatures take a bit of a nosedive after this system. Average is about in the low 70s, so we'll hit that in some spots like Mesa, Gilbert, and Chandler, mostly here in the southern East Valley. Most of us, though, will climb into the upper 60s for today. Those overnight temperatures are still going to feel very cool and cold. We're talking 30s and 40s by tomorrow morning. Across the state for today, our temperatures climbing into the upper 40s in Payson, 55 in Globe today. We're talking low 60s in Casa Grande, 70 in Gila Bend, and low 70s in Yuma. Both those spots are going to drop down into the mid 40s by tomorrow morning. We're talking pretty cold temperatures, though. We're down to freezing in Page. Teens for us in the Grand Canyon, Flagstaff, and Window Rock. As I leave you with the 7-day forecast, I want you to see here breezy conditions tomorrow. 80% chance for showers. We're down to low 60s by Wednesday, but don't worry, that system will move on out, and then by Friday, you're feeling good. It's the end of the work week, and into your weekend, we're expecting low 70s.
When Allison says don't worry,